How did
Yeah.
you work on your downs, and how did you overcome, let's say, fears or problems or anything outside or inside?
Yeah, so it is going to sound really funny, but I actually had stage fear. I was very anxious. I could not speak on stage. I mean, when I was really small, my parents used to go make me, speak on stage. So till 5, 6 years, it was okay. But after that, there was this gap where I was just going to school. I just, had a small circle of friends, right? So I was extremely anxious. Now in my school, what exactly happens that there are lots of speakers from outside. They come and either they're motivational speakers or they teach us about safety and stuff like that. So I used to sit in backside because I used to be very afraid that what if they're gonna call me like, you know what, Bhavika, tell me about this, answer me about this. So I used to be so afraid that I used to sit in the last and I used to make some kind of worst excuse. Ma'am, my stomach is paining. Ma'am, I'm just feeling very dizzy. And I used to go sit in my class. So that is how afraid I was to speak in front of people. And yeah, and also to speak in front of videos, right? When I said that we made that 108 videos, so it was my first time ever doing something like that. I never, never someone like shooted me from that close, from something that I'm speaking. So I was very afraid, but the more I got up on stage, the more this fear got kind of like, because the more you're gonna face your fear is going to go away. So that is exactly what I did. And I remember one time that when I was 9 years old, I started doing from mobile addiction only. So I was in one event, I was speaking about mobile phone and I had this mic in my hand and I just forgot everything for a second. I was like, oh my God, what am I going to say? And I'm looking at my mama that, Mama, help me. My mama is like, who is she? I don't know you, guys staring at me. So, I mean, I had those moments also on stage where for completely 1 minute, there is this complete awkward silence where audience is waiting to hear something from me and I'm waiting so that my mind kind of like starts to work and I kind of like starts to speak something. So yeah, I had those few what we can call it embarrassing moments also. But I feel like from these moments somewhere around I have learned, because the more I went on stage, it is not something that 2 times, 10 times, no. Sometimes like if I don't go on stage for a month or 2 months, I start having that fear again. So the more I go on stage and the more continuously I'm going on stage, that fear kind of like goes away. So
I see that you have worked, you've given talks in like more than 500 events, right? And so that shows that you've overcome your fear, you've overcome all these downs that you had, the struggles. You put them aside and you did all the work that you had to. And so you said a beautiful thing that you have to face your fears. You
yeah.
faced your fear and you overcame it easily.